Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you how to create flash transition effect in Premiere Pro. Already I have all my video on my timeline. Next is to go to new item here and click on adjustment layer. Right click on the adjustment layer here and click on speed and duration. In order to reduce our adjustment layer duration to 14 frame. Okay, so change this one to 0 and change this one to 14 and click OK. Now we have 14 frame adjustment layer for our effects. Pick the adjustment layer and drop it in between your transition points here. Use your arrow key on your keyboard to count 7 frames forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To ensure that your adjustment layer is positioned accurately in between the transition points. Okay, now go to Effect panel here and search for brightness and contrast. Brightness and contrast. Drop it on your adjustment layer. Okay, and go to Effect Control. Look for brightness and contrast here. Be ensure that the playhead here is at the beginning of your adjustment layer here. And then click the toggle animation button here to create your first keyframe for your brightness and your contrast, as you can see it here right now. Next is to move your playhead to the center of your adjustment layer here. Okay, and then go back to your effect control here and change this value to 100 and do the same to contracts. Okay, so by doing that, automatically we have additional keyframe here for our effect. Okay, next is to move your playhead to the end of your adjustment layer here. Okay, and go back to your effect control and change this value from 100 to 0. Okay, and do the same to your contracts as well. Okay, so if I move my playhead across my adjustment layer, I have a cool flash transition effect here already, as you can see it now. Okay, you can as well duplicate this adjustment layer, okay, and move it to the other transition point here. Use your arrow key, okay, to count 7 frames forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then move your adjustment layer towards your playhead here to enable you position that adjustment layer across your 2 clips here accurately. Okay, so if I move this playhead across the second adjustment layer here, already we have another flash transition effect there, as you can see it right now. Okay, so let's play the entire video now and see what we have all together. Cool. Wow. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.